How to use Norse Organics Acne Killer Night Balm. I'm going to tell you how to use Norse Organics Acne Killer Night Balm. Start with a clean, dry face. Use your regular cleanser to wash away dirt, oil, and makeup. Once your skin is prepped, take a small amount of the balm and gently dab it onto areas with active acne or where you're breakout prone. You don't need much. This product is concentrated. Massage it in with clean fingers using light, circular motions until fully absorbed. Leave it on overnight to let the natural ingredients work while you sleep. The formula is designed to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and help clear pores without drying your skin out. Use it as a last step in your nighttime routine and avoid layering other treatments over it for best results. Consistent use a few nights a week can make a visible difference in how your skin heals and stays balanced.